WTI oil failing to stay above 73.4, 73.5 levels and has seen a very good drop. In fact, has gone close to 71, the next support levels. At the same time, the net gas is trying to trade bullish, and but rather I will say it is traded in range. It failed to stay above 2.38, which was a great resistance. Now, what to expect with the US and which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. This is the second update for the day. Hence, those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. Now, you can also remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Do watch till the end. Now, oil on the hourly charts. See, 73 was a good resistance. It tried to break out and then it failed to stay above the next resistance level at 73.5. And that was the level above which only it could go, or it could have gone bullish. Now, getting the resistance there, what it has done, a drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now see, it is trying to create a bearish wave. However, remember, on the downside, 71 is definitely a very good support. We had seen that in the past also. We had discussed this in our weekly analysis and daily analysis multiple times. But look at the moving averages. It is trading with divergence. At the same time, the price is trading with a divergence from the moving average. The chance for it to converge still towards, first, the moving averages can come down. That is the first part. Second is the prices move upwards still towards 72.5, which means only bullishness is, if you can say, only a rise expectation is if it trades above 72.5 levels. The stochastic has dropped and now trying to recover. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is almost trading at bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, same thing on the 2-hour charts. Now this is the zone which I will expect it to break past by at least at 72.5, 72.8. And in fact, see, till 73.5 we and 73 till 74, I will say rather, that we had seen in the past. I will not consider this for a bullish move. Only above 74 further bullishness can be expected. Now see also what has happened. You can find out 71, 71, 71, 71, 71. It tried to break here, but till now 71 has certainly been the rescue factor for crude oil. Also, if you find out now 71.5, very good support levels, and hence a bearishness can be confirmed if it stays below 71, else a possible bounce back. Staying above 72.5, certainly we can see more rise there. Stochastic at bottom here too. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI at bottom almost. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now on the 3-hour charts, see the resistance there, you can find at the same levels what we had discussed, 72.5, 72.8 levels. So at least it should break past by this zone in order to confirm the rise there. The stochastic also coming at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Now also on the 3-hour charts, look at the previous candle. The body size is less than half the complete candle. At the same time, the candle previous to this for the stepping stone, so first candle in series, there could be a follow-up candle which might fall short of 71 and it can trade in range here. The stochastic at bottom, at the same time, as I said, above 72.5, little more rise can be expected, but then till 73.5, 74 levels, we should not consider this as bullish. MACD here is divergent and bearish. RSI also at bottom. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, yes, it is given a breakdown. However, look at the flat bottom there, 71 levels coming to the rest. Hence, we have to still be observant. It is not yet bearish till, and in fact, till 69.4 and 70, we should not consider this as bearish. I'll tell you on the daily charts. Now, also, if you look at the 4-hour charts here, see, till here it's fine. Prices were trading with slight, you can say, higher highs, higher lows. This time it has tried to breach this channel, and that is a little bearish sign and the sign of concerns for me, because once this channel is breached here, it can try to pull the prices little down. Specifically, if it stays below 71, this is going to bring more bearishness there. The stochastic has started to look down. The MACD is also started to diverge, and RSI is also coming to the bottom here. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, we had discussed this. It was trying to trade in this bullish channel. Right now, it is almost breached the bottom of this channel and now giving slightly bearish signs. So if it stays below 71 on the daily basis, certainly we can expect further fall if it continues to stay below 70, and then more bearishness will be seen staying below 70 there. Stochastic comfortable. MACD trying to cross over again. It has not yet crossed over on the daily sign. Should not be considered bearish as of now. And the RSI is looking down here. Considering this for now, I will recommend you to buy at 72.5. But then 72.8, 73, 73.6, and then 73.8, 74. Till 74, it has got very good resistance levels. So on the upside, if it stays above 74, then only should be treated as bullish, and then you can buy there. At the same time, on the downside, a sell entry is only far below 71 levels. Then you can expect that the bearishness is going to prevail. We may see 70.6, 70.2 levels as the next support, and below that, it is going to give you a very good crash. Be alert, be cautious. If it stays below 70 this time, we can see a good drop there till 69 and 68 levels. In fact, it can drop below. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed with net gas, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Only 5 seats are left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now look at net gas on the hourly charts. First, before we come to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly charts here. Now see, on the hourly charts, first of all, and this is what we discussed several times here. Now see the convergence to the 20 period, convergence to the 20 periods, convergence to the 20 periods. But at the same time, till here, the moving averages were not so divergent. Now moving averages are extremely divergent. This calls for a conversion here, and hence once it stays above 2.38, now 2.38 we had discussed in the morning update also. I'm telling you again, if it stays above 2.38, you can stay long and expect it to hit 2.4, the first resistance level. Staying above 2.4, 2.42 and 2.45 levels cannot be denied, and from there it will try to fly off. On the downside, a sell entry is only below 2.35 levels. Now stochastic has recovered a bit. MACD divergent and bullish here. It is crossed over at bottom. See on the early charts, it is always crossed over it here. Now trying to look upwards. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Look at the 2-hour charts, and the observation is same. Convergence till the 20 period, and see the moving averages are divergent, so possibly it can try to rise a little. But if you look at the pattern, the drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation, staying about 2.4 only, little more bullishness can be seen, and then only and only if it breaks past this zone, that is 2.4648, then you can consider this for a little reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with the bullishness, looking upwards. RSI is also almost flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, you can find out, see 2.4 is almost appears to be certain. You can stay long about 2.38 levels, but then 2.4 to 2.45, these 3 levels you should watch out for. And then 2.5 is ultimate, which if it breaks, more bullishness may prevail. RSI, stochastic recovering, MACD trying to cross over here. This is a good sign. RSI almost trading at bottom on the 3-hour charts. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, nothing different, staying about 2.38, just stay long. And also remember, below 2.35 only, a sell entry is confirmed here. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is also almost flat at the bottom. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily chart, the bottom is done, tail is formed, looking forward to a rise, staying below 2.35, then only bullishness, super trend also giving the confirmation here. Now on the upside, this is the level, that is 2.5, which I will wait, 2.45, which I'll expect it to break, and if it does, then only a little more bullishness is seen. The stochastic is oversold. MACD here is divergent and bearish. That is a sign of worry, because see, it is crossing over, but this crossover is almost happening at a zero level, and hence it can again converge and rise from here. RSI looking down. Considering this, a buy entry at 2.38, the same entries we had discussed in the morning update, and sell entry at 2.35. Till 2.35 is respected, do not consider this as bearish. And on the upside, 2.442 and 45, these 3 levels breaking beyond 2.45, we can consider it to be bullish there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.